Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the FxPro trading application. So first of all, you need to simply download and install the FxPro application from the Google Play Store or App Store. Afterwards, you just have to sign up if you don't have an account here. If you already have an account, you just have to log in into your account. So your account or the home page is going to look something like this. First of all, on the home page, it is going to show you the FxPro wallet in which you are going to see your available balance. If you don't have any of the balance available, you can tap on the option of add funds. Then you can choose any of these payment methods and then you can press continue. On the next page, you just have to simply make the payment, and this way you will be able to deposit funds which are going to be shown on your home page. Now, if you already have some funds, the withdraw and the transfer options will also be enabled. When you scroll down a bit, you are going to see your trading accounts. So it is going to show you all of your real accounts as well as your demo accounts. If you want to create any of these accounts, you can tap on the option of create real account or create a demo account. Then you can select the type of account that you want to create, and you can just simply follow further instructions in order to create your account. Now over here on the top right hand corner, you are going to see some of the notification section. On the top left hand corner, you are going to see your name and the profile icon. So if you tap on it, you are going to get access to the FxPro trading application settings. When you tap on the option of funds, which is the second option over here in the bottom, it is going to redirect you on the payment method where you can choose the payment method and you can deposit some money inside your FxPro account. Then when you tap on the option of trade, it is going to show you all of your accounts that are available. So it is going to show you all of the popular tickers that are available, or all the popular instruments. You can also tap on the option of forex if you want to see the forex instruments. Similarly, you can tap on stocks, you can tap on metal, and we have futures, cryptos, and bunch of other categories available. So over here, as per your trading strategy, you can tap on the option of buy and the sell, and this way the order is going to look something like this, where you can basically define the number of orders, or you can define the lot size. For example, let's say I want to purchase or basically sell gold with 0.1 lot, so I'm going to add it over here, and its chart is going to look something like this. So tap on the option of confirm sell and the order will be placed, and it is going to look something like this. So over here you can again tap on the option, and here you are going to see your position. So you can now basically add the SL and the TP over here, and this way you will be able to basically manage it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.